Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Go over to the system here, switch telephone on, and then you've got your rotary selector here. You've got name and telephone. Select telephone, click the center of the selector, and you're then onto Bluetooth telephones. Click Bluetooth telephones. You've then got update. Now if there's any other phones on, it can be confusing because the phones are listed here and you don't tend to notice the update. So select update, click on update. It's now looking for a maximum of 15 Bluetooth devices. And there you go, it's picked up my phone. So turn the selector until it gets to my phone, Barry's iPhone, then click the center. We now have to put a code in. For ease of use, I'm going to put 0000 in, and then we wind across to OK, and then click in the center for OK, and here we go. We've got this sort of calculator thing up there. Put 4 notes in, allow contacts and favorites to sync has come up, allow authorization procedure successful, and there you go, you've got Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected.